Hello everyone, this is lead code question number 1, which is to sum. We are given nums array and target. We have to find the sum of two different elements which sum is equal to the target. We have two approaches. Approach number 1 is we have to use two loops and find the sum and return it in the form of array of size 2. Approach number 2 is we have to use hashmap so that we can store the sum and difference into the hashmap. The complexity of loop 1 is n square and second the hashmap 1 is O of n, but the space complexity of by using hashmap is O of n and using two loop is O of 1. Let's code it. We have to use two loops for int I is equal to 0 to I is less than nums dot length minus 1, cause we have to iterate from second last element outer loop, and the inner loop should be int j is equal to I plus 1 to j is less than nums dot length and j plus plus. Int sum is equal to nums of I plus nums of j. Sum equal to target, then we have to return new array of I comma j of size 2. If it is not, then we have to return new array of size 2 containing minus 1 and minus 1. All three test cases are passed, but the problem is this: two loops which make its complexity to O of n square. We have the optimal solution by using hashmap. Let's code it. Let's make hashmap of integer. Then we have to find the difference from the nums of I and target. Int difference is equal to target minus nums of I, which gives the difference. If the difference contains in the hashmap, then the result is, but if difference does not contains in the hashmap, then we have to put these value into the hashmap. If hashmap dot contains key, which key? Difference, then we have to return new integer of size 2 difference and I, and if not contains, then we have to put hashmap dot put nums of I and I. Yeah, I think it's done. At last we have to return it. Let's run it. Okay, done. By all three test cases are passed. We have to submit it. I have already submitted it earlier. Let's see the code. By using hashmap, we put all the elements into the hashmap with their indexes, and then by using loop we find the difference. Difference of what? Difference of target and the nums of I. If the difference contains into the hashmap, then we have the solution. We return a new integer array of size 2 contains the value and the I. If it does not, then we have to put the nums of I and I. That's all. Thanks.